Hello everybody, thanks for watching. I'm Dave. Merkabah Academy is now entering the final lap of our new site, and we are racing towards the finish line. This is the final sale. Never Pay Again membership is now only $9.99. The flash drive is $39.99 and comes with Never Pay Again membership. We also added many new courses to our site. Say hello to Zinja and Jabari.
Hello everyone, my name is Zinja.
And I'm Jabari.
We will be your African Studies teachers here on Merkabah Academy. Africa is the second largest continent, known for its vast and diverse landscapes, from the Sahara Desert to the rainforest of Central Africa.
The continent is also known for its wildlife, with the savannas of East Africa being home to iconic species, making Africa an important and unique part of the world.
We will cover a wide variety of ancient African studies and use many of the teachings from Merkabah videos.
We will also cover many books and primary sources on our journey,
and we'll use many notes from history's greatest scholars and researchers. We will be here to instruct you and read most of the course materials. This will make the courses more easy to follow.
We can't wait to work with you. See you at the Academy.
Merkabah Academy full site is coming soon and will be the only conscious social media site available. Our members will have the best experience in online gaming and learning. Our retro gaming will offer some of the best titles in retro games, all of the best arcade and console games from our childhood, and more. This will be one of the funnest online learning and gaming experiences available, and our classroom competitions, contests, and tournaments will make it a challenge to climb the leaderboard. Merkabah Academy will be a global social media site, and we will provide our best in online security. The last site had many spam and solicitor accounts, and we want to make sure we protect our users' data and private information. To do this, we will no longer offer free accounts. Once the full site launches on September 18th, all new registrations will be required to pay a registration fee of $49.99, and there will be a 3-day money-back guarantee if you choose to drop out. However, this registration will not come with full Podia access or blue check verification. Eliminating free accounts will protect the site and ensure that our users are surrounded with like-minded people. This final sale will end Sunday and will not be offered again. Merkabah Academy will feature many easy and challenging timed quizzes. Challenge your friends or classmates and earn points to help you climb the leaderboard. If you already paid for Never Pay Again membership, don't worry if you don't see your blue verified check yet. It will be there shortly or when the full site launches. On behalf of Merkabah Academy, we want to thank you for your membership support and patience. We are working hard to bring you the greatest conscious social media experience available. Please note that the site will shut down on Sunday for updating and will relaunch September 18th. All new users will be allowed to register on September 28th. Thanks for watching and see you at the Academy.